What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Hey, man, we going up, man. I gotta appreciate everybody for subscribing, for tuning in, for sharing me and everything. And if you ain't, please subscribe, please comment, and you gotta like the video to support the channel. So, hey, we're gonna get right into the video. For my new subscribers, you feel me? This is what I'm building. But the channel is not really solely about this. I'm actually building the 3rd gen Camaro too. Now I have a whole supercharger kit for this car, but I decided to matter of fact, do I got this open? Yep. So this is the supercharger indeed. And I got the box right under here with everything I need for that supercharger. But yeah, I decided to run a turbo on this thing. I don't know if man, to be honest, I might throw the turbo and the supercharger on this just to go crazy with it. So, yeah, man, and I'm building the 3rd gen Camaro, supercharged that too, but that's gonna be later down the line. But for right now, it's a budget build Camaro. But for today's video, we finally about to install my motherfucking arms and my pin bar. Like, bruh. The first thing you will want to do is jack the car up. I'm gonna go on and throw them on the jack stands too. So, got that bad boy jacked up. Kinda the higher the better, but you don't need it too high. I wanna say that's probably about a foot off the ground. You don't want to tighten them down with the car suspension drooping. So I'm gonna actually let my car down on this, then tighten the bolts up. Alright, I got a 16-inch deep. Grab your hammer. So we're going to use the white lithium grease to lube this. Alright, finally got done with that. Feel me? Anything leaking, boy? Ooh. Okay, so I ain't even gonna count. Well, you can get that with a ratchet, but they both are 19, so. Alright, so you want to hit the screw. Alright, there we go. So you're going to do the same for right here. Alright, so got that in. Since I'm already under here, I'm going to do the easy part. Okay, so the back bolt is actually a 21, so I'm going to use this. And this still, let me make sure. That's 18, as you can see. Okay, hopefully the color is better. But I could not find no kind of torque specs for real, so I'm gonna just hand tighten real tight, then I'm gonna get the breaker bar and just pull it up. So yeah, but if y'all wanna actually get it down to the spec, I'll say, man, look it up. If you got the GM book, that'll be great. But if not, then call GM and get them the year, make, and model of your car. Then, you know what I'm saying? We'll go from there. Had to do the arms, pan bar. Yes, sir. Till next time, leave a like. You gotta comment, share. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And hey,